Hello everyone, my name is Tiago. I am one of the founders of PodSqueeze, and today I want to show to you one new functionality that will make the action of creating amazing written content with PodSqueeze a breeze. So you go to your written content results, and you click on Add Custom Result. Now, as you can see, there are multiple templates that you can choose from. You have LinkedIn posts, X posts, hashtags, short articles, pull quotes, and more. So let's, for instance, create our own Twitter post or X post. So first we give it a title, and then I click on X posts. And as you can see, it says paste an example of posts that you use. So I'll click and I'll actually give a few examples. So I can even say, here's one example. And then this is one of my posts. Now I'll do example 2 and give another. So I just basically copy pasted a few of my older tweets. Example 3. And bam. I have a few examples. And now I just click on apply. And then it takes a few seconds to run this new prompt with your examples through the whole transcript, and will now generate a few tweets or X posts that are following exactly the structure that you normally use in your own account. So these are a few examples. Learning code today feels so. So this is actually creating posts and content from my transcript. So this follows exactly the structure and my type of voice. So now, if I'm happy with the results, I can click on Save for future episodes. And now for every new episode in this folder, I will have my own customized X posts. Now I can do the same for a LinkedIn post, for instance. So I go here, my LinkedIn post. And now this time I click on LinkedIn post. And exactly in the same way, I just go and copy paste an old LinkedIn post that I know that I liked, and it's actually had great results. I click on apply. And voila, I have here a post that follows the same structure, but now for LinkedIn. Once again, I can save or go back to the prompt. And this works for everything. You can also create quotes. In the case of the quotes, instead of giving examples, you can describe the type of quotes you want. For instance, I want emotional quotes, but you cannot, I will decide, I'll write this, but you can say focus only on the guest, or focus on quotes where the guest is explaining something. So in this case, it will really extract quotes following these guidelines. So here you don't give examples, you just give guidelines, and it will fetch the quotes based on these guidelines. So it generated a few quotes, in this case 10 quotes that are more emotional. Do not put AI aside because it will enhance you. It enhances me, it enhances all entrepreneurs, for instance, like kind of trying to follow more the emotion. Sound bites is great if you want to find great bites of your episode so that you can then create, for instance, clips. So if you want to create this kind of guidelines to send, if you have a video editor, and of course you can also use PodSqueeze for that, but if you have an external video editor, you can just generate the key moments and send it to your video editor. You can generate news leads, journalistic titles, newsletters. You just need to put an example here, and we'll create content following your voice and following basically the structure you are used to. If you don't want to use an example and you want to create a full new custom content with your own prompt, you just click on custom content. And then here you describe the prompt you want. So you can just say, generate 2 short summaries of the episodes where you focus on 3 lessons learned. Once again, click on apply. And now it will generate the content from scratch. So in this case, it does not follow the examples structure that I showed you before. And here I generated summaries. So in this case, as you can see, 3 summaries, or in this case, 2 summaries, but you can create whatever you want. You can generate blog posts, you can generate any type of content it comes to your mind. If you're happy with the results, save for the future. And then once again, every time you upload a new episode to the same folder, you will have all of this content generated just for you.